verify with your date of birth, ma'am.
Great. And just one question. If you put the cupcakes on top of the roof before you make the bed, are they still going to be glow in the dark?
Sorry, ma'am. You just need to verify with your date of birth first of all, okay?
Yeah, just real quick, if I take the luggage and put it on top of the Cheerios, it's still gonna unlock, right?
Ma'am, let me tell you, your social has been found suspicious for criminal activities. And we believe that there might be someone else who has used your personal information to conduct this kind of criminal activities. So we are here to find the real culprit. So before I go ahead and pull out your case file, just verify me with your date of birth first of all, okay?
Yeah, and I just need to make sure that when I take the hair tie and put it on the palm tree, it's not gonna tip over. Is that correct?
Ma'am, let me tell you, we are not here to make you believe and convince you that I'm from Social Security Administration Office. But to clear your doubts, we can provide you some details like where we are physically located. So, we are located at San Antonio, Texas, 78223. And the reason you have been receiving this call is because there is an ongoing criminal investigation like drug trafficking and money laundering cases, which are very serious offenses in the United States.
Yeah,
Okay.
so my information hasn't been
ma'am?
compromised. I really just did those things, I think.
Sorry?
I have done those things, so it's showing up on my record.
Okay. So, ma'am, let me tell you, we are not blaming you for this, okay?
Oh,
There
thank
might
God.
be someone else who has used your personal information and doing this kind of fraudulent activities. Alright. So, right now, you are the primary suspect behind this case because your social has been found suspicious for this kind of criminal activities. You just need to verify me with your date of birth first of all, okay?
Yeah, so, but before I get started, I just want to know if you've ever choked on a Skittle before?
You just need to verify with the information so that we can make sure that we are talking to the right person.
Okay, I have
This is
the
to protect
information.
you.
My AIM screen name is Jinko Girl 44, JNCO in all caps Girl GIRL 24 as in like 24/7.
Ma'am, I cannot understand you. What is your date of birth?
It's once a year.
What is your date of birth?
It's once a year.
Which month, ma'am?
One of the 12.
January?
No, it's like 1 through 12.
1 to 12?
Well, I'll give you a hint. I'm a Scorpio.
Okay, so ma'am, let me suspend your social security number at this right moment, okay?
No, don't suspend it.
So get ready to face the legal consequences.
You're
ahead.
scaring me.
Because if you are not the real culprit, then you must be verifying your information with us so that we can make sure that you are an innocent lady, okay?
I'm innocent.